Stop your music. So where from?
Egypt.
Yeah.
Egypt. Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, I don't know where from.
Egypt. Egypt. Egypt.
Egypt.
Matter. Matter. Egypt.
So do you know Bangladesh?
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know?
Bangladesh. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So what's your name?
Thank you. Lamia.
Lamia.
Thank you.
So
Yeah.
you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Are you married?
You?
No, you. Are you married?
I'm sorry.
I'm talking, are you married or single?
Yeah.
Oh,
Two. Sorry, amigo, to finish me.
huh.
Sometimes marriage, sometimes not marriage.
Oh. Do you have any sibling? Do you have any
What?
do you have any sibling? Brother or sister? Do you have?
Two sisters.
No. I'm talking, do you have any sibling? Do you have any brother or sister?
Two.
Oh, oh. So tell me say something. What are you doing right now?
Okay, I check.
Yeah,
No. I took was the conference.
I'm talking. What are you doing right now?
Now?
You are watching me and I'm watching you, right? What are you doing right now?
No.
Please stop your music.
No.
What type of effect? It- What type of effect? This is kind effect. Listen to me.
You fun, yeah?
Yeah.
Fun, yeah?
Hmm. So, are you Muslim or Christian? What is your religion?
Muslim.
Muslim. Same,
Muslim.
same. I'm Muslim. So, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Okay, so
So, can you say Bismillahirrahmanirrahim?
what?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah,
It's you?
nice to meet you too. So, can you sing a song?
My son?
Can you sing a song?